Hey guys, this is Brian with American Steel Carports, and today I'm going to be joined by
Mariela and Katie,
and they are from the financing department here at American Steel. We know that purchasing a metal building is going to be a big investment, so here in this video we're going to go over the several financing options that we offer. Let's get into it. First question, what financing options are available when purchasing a metal building?
So we offer traditional financing and rent-to-own, which is a leasing program.
And what companies do we offer?
So at American Steel Carports, we do offer GreenSky, Upgrade, RTO National, and Heartland.
And what is the difference between financing and rent-to-own?
Traditional financing is based on your credit. Rent-to-own, the leasing program, does not require for the customer to have any credit. Or if they have low credit, they tend to go that route.
All right, so let's start off with GreenSky. What are the requirements to qualify for financing?
So with GreenSky, the customer must have a credit score of a 650 or above. If the customer is not eligible, doesn't meet that credit score, they can add a cosigner. That would be an option.
And how long does the approval process take?
So pretty much the customer is notified instantly as soon as they're done applying.
And will this be a hard hit on my credit?
We do have an option to send a pre-qualification to the customer before it is a hard hit on the credit, so that's good.
Gotcha. So what is the interest rate that GreenSky offers?
So with GreenSky, we offer different plans. Okay. Each plan has different APRs, so the customer does have the option to choose from those different plans to whatever suits them best.
Gotcha. And then what are the monthly terms?
So with GreenSky, it does range in between about 84 months to 120 months.
Gotcha. What is the loan amount that GreenSky has to offer?
With GreenSky, you're eligible to qualify anywhere in between $1,500 up to $100,000.
And can I pay off the financing early without any penalties?
Yes. Luckily with GreenSky, there are no prepayment penalties.
Okay, so is that the only traditional financing company that you offer?
No, so we also do work with another traditional financing company, which would be Upgrade.
All right, so can we get a little bit more info about this company?
Of course, Upgrade is another option that we offer. They require for the customer to have a credit score of a 750 or above, and they also have that option to add a cosigner if needed.
Gotcha. And how long does the approval process take?
So Upgrade will let the customer know if they were approved or not as soon as they finish the application process.
Okay, all right. And do you know if this company will be a hard hit on my credit?
Unfortunately, with Upgrade, they don't offer a pre-qualification application. So yes, it would be a hard hit to your credit.
What kind of interest rate do they have to offer?
So with Upgrade, we do have different plans, and those different plans have different APRs. Again, we have the customer choose whatever plan suits them best. But they can range anywhere from 7.99 to 19.99%.
Okay, and what do the monthly terms look like on that?
With Upgrade, the monthly terms start from 120 and they can go up to 180 months depending on what plan works best for the customer.
And another good thing with Upgrade is that they have no payoff penalties.
So what if I don't have that higher credit score, but I still want to apply for traditional financing?
Well, luckily, American Steel does work with RTO National that also offers traditional financing.
Okay, could you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, like I said, RTO National does work with traditional financing. If you have a credit score of 580 and up, the company is the best option for you.
All right, so how much am I able to finance with this company?
RTO National does offer loans that start anywhere from $1,200 up to $20,000.
So what kind of interest rate and monthly terms does that offer?
So with RTO National, the monthly terms start anywhere from 24 to 60 months, and the APR can range anywhere between 9.99 to 24%.
All right, so let's say I'm a customer and I have no credit. What can American Steel offer me so that I can still get a metal building?
So we work with Heartland. That's our leasing company, and we are able to finance in almost every state that American Steel services except Wisconsin and New Jersey. So the APR with Heartland does range anywhere between 19.9% and 24%. With Heartland, there is a percentage that has to be paid off before the customer can fully pay off the unit. If the order is over $10,000, Heartland will require proof of property ownership from the customer. They will accept a deed, a tax statement, mortgage statement, or the homeowner's insurance with the customer's name and the install address. If the customer is not the property owner, the customer can have that landlord waiver signed by their landlord, but Heartland will require for their landlord to provide proof of property ownership to Heartland. Heartland only offers loans that start anywhere from $1,200 and they can go up to $25,000.
Okay. And do all these financing companies offer additional features like insulation, roller doors, installation?
For the most part, yes. However, Heartland, our leasing company, will require for the customer to pay for the mobile home anchors upon installation.
Well, thank you so much, ladies, for all that valuable information. And to anybody watching this video, if you do have any other questions or concerns about financing, please reach out to American Steel Carports at 866-730-9865 and ask to speak to someone in the financing department.